Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing a cute and fun tutorial for you guys, so definitely stick around for that. Before I get started, there is something that I want to introduce to you guys, and it's this bottle of oil that I have from BTL. This is a company I've been working with, but they came out with this new oil that I absolutely love. It smells so good. I use it on my hair and I really love it. It feels really good on my hair, feels really light. So I want to introduce it to you guys just in case you guys are interested. I'm going to be using it in this video today. On the bottle, it says BTL Scalp Oil has been specially formulated to repair and invigorate your everyday needs. It also says that it combats dry, itchy scalp and achieve the conditioned shine you've been looking for. The consistency of the oil is very thin, which I really like, which means a little goes a long way. And when I put it in my hair, I can definitely guarantee that it will get into places that I didn't even put it, so it will reach further on my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair using some of their product, including this comb that I love so much that I'm using to part my hair right now. I'm parting my hair straight down the middle. I'm not looking in any mirror behind me, so whatever works, works. If it's not straight, we're still gonna work with it because, that's what we do. This is the gem I'm using today. You guys see me use this over and over again. I absolutely love this gem. It does what it says it's gonna do. It gives what it says it's gonna give. So I don't see myself doing any hairstyle that requires gem and not use this product. So to make my parting look even cleaner, I'm gonna apply some on the parting and then I'm gonna go back over it with my comb. Now that I have my hair section off, I'm gonna hold one side away with a clip while I work on the other side. Now I'm going to take out a section in the front, and this is where I'm going to add a little bit of style to this hairdo I'm doing. Now I'm going to take out 4 squares in the front about the same size, and then I'm going to use elastic bands to hold them. I'm using the jam also as I go along doing them, and I'm also taking out little edges so I could make some baby hair and make it look even better at the end. To hold each one of them, I'm using rubber band I have in the same oil I showed you guys earlier. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the remaining 3 just the same. And now I'm gonna go do the other side off camera. I'm all done with the front. I'm loving the way it's looking. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 ponytails on each side of my hair. The first thing I did was comb the hair up to where I want it, and then I went ahead and add some jam on it to lay it nice and flat. Right now I'm using a hair tie to hold it nice and tight. Now I'm going to braid my ponytail to make it easier to hide under the hair I'm going to add to it, because this is just too much hair to wrap into a bun. Now that I've completed both sides, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges using this edge control from Edge Effect. And this edge control always get the job done every single time. So I'm going to show you guys on this side exactly how I'm doing my edges. But as for the other side, I'm not going to be doing it on camera. So just watch and see how I do them.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. Could you give me your number when I control? So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my coming at me, yeah, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
Okay, so now I'm gonna tie down the parts of my hair that's done, including the edges, while I go work on the ponytails. I thought these looked funny a little bit, so I decided to start playing with them and see what they do, but don't mind me. I'm tying a second piece of wrap strip on it just to make sure I cover the entire front of my hair. Now I'm going to use the wrap strip again to wrap these braids to make sure no glue gets on them when I'm wrapping my ponytail on. Just in case y'all need a slowdown of this, let me know because I'm just assuming right now that you guys are understanding what I'm doing exactly.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See they get them.
These are the hairs I'm going to be using today to do my ponytail. I don't know too much about them. I found them in my local beauty supply store. As much as I know, they're 1B and 30 inches. I fold the hair in half before I start wrapping it on my ponytail because I did not want to be here all day wrapping it. I did add some glue onto the hair before I started wrapping it onto the tip of my ponytail. And as I wrap the hair, I add glue, say about every 1 inch of it, because I don't feel like I need to add glue on every single part of it going up. It wasn't necessary.
Calm down, take it slow. See the girl, let my coming at me, yeah, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
Okay, now I'm done wrapping on all that hair. I'm going to take a piece of hair out, and this I'm going to use to cover the track at the root, and this is going to make it look really nice.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right.
Now that I'm finished with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Now that both sides are finished, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and apply the oil to my hair. So here's the oil again. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto my scalp. I have dry scalp and it does tend to get itchy sometimes. So whenever I do any hairstyle that's really tight like this one, I like to apply oil onto my scalp. So I'm definitely gonna be loving this oil because it should be preventing my scalp from being itchy and moisturize my scalp while I wear these tight hairstyles. I actually like how easy it is to apply. If you look carefully, you can see I'm actually pushing the little applicator under my little braids to get onto my scalp, and it's really getting in there. This is the finishing touch, guys. I feel so brand new with a new hairstyle and my scalp nicely oiled. So what y'all think? Are you guys here for this hairstyle or what? Because I'm super excited about it, as you guys can tell from my reaction right here. So the length is 30 inches, but it actually looked longer, and I think it's because of how I was wrapping it from the tip of my hair going all the way up to the root. Also, it creates a layer on my hair, which I absolutely love. So I am loving it. All the products I use are from BTL, like I said earlier in the video, but definitely guys, check them out because their products are so nice. And the oil, I'm super loving it, especially the smell. Yeah, the smell alone could get my money. I'll definitely link all their products I used today in the description box below, so it will be so much easier for you guys to find on their website. I had to do a 360 for you guys so you could see the back of my hair, and this is my first time seeing the back of my hair, so I think I did a good job with the parting, so yay me. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.